Okay, so let's get into the major scale. The major scale is the most important scale in music. It's basically the foundation of music where everything is built on. So chords, scales, melodies, everything comes from the major scale. And that's why it's critical for you to understand the major scale on bass. So if I play the major scale on one string, starting on the third fret of the A string, the sequence goes root note, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. And that's why it's so important to know whole steps and half steps, because they allow you to play scale formulas. We can also play the major scale across multiple strings by maintaining the same pattern of whole steps and half steps. So if I start on the third fret of the A string, which is the C note, I can play the major scale like that.